It was hard. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. It was hard getting myself together. It was hard getting myself here. It was hard. I mean, I could lie and say it was easy, but it'd be a lie, and I don't like to lie. So I think that being honest about it is actually a good thing. I really just, it's been a hard day. It's been a hard week. So, okay, I'm going to be honest with all of you guys because, well, I don't know how many of you actually are, that watch my, I don't know who watches my videos. According to analytics, it's men from India and Russia. I don't know. But I know I have lots of women who I associate with, and I hope that they do watch my, I do hope that they watch, okay? Because it'd be nice. And so I just felt like this was a hard week. I don't know how to say it any other way. Like, it was an incredibly, unbelievably, strangely hard week. And I don't know if that was just for me or that was for everybody, that it was just a hard week. And a part of me thinks, okay, maybe it was just me. But then there's that part of me that thinks, oh no way. This has got, it had to affect more than just me. So